This meditation is brought to you by Fe Pacheco, creator of the ScalarPrana Method. Copyright 2024.
Gently close your eyes. Inhale deeply. Exhale slowly. If you are a ScalarPrana practitioner, do scalar breathing and create your ball of life. If you haven't taken the workshop yet, that's perfectly fine. Do normal breathing. Be receptive. I am sending you scalar energy. So just inhale, exhale. Again, inhale, exhale. Feel gratitude, love, joy in your heart, and offer this to the Divine. And let us invoke to the Supreme Being. Thank you for your blessings of divine light, love, power, and healing. Thank you for your loving presence, guidance, and protection. In full faith, so be it. Just relax and be still. Breathe gently. Lord God, with the help of the angels and archangels of love, thank you for healing my heart from all memories of negativity that dwell within, from selfishness, greed, and avarice, from anger, envy, and jealousy, from false pride and arrogance, from fear and trauma, from poverty and victim consciousness, from manipulative tendencies, from gloating over the pains and miseries of other people, from all negative emotions and qualities, heal me from all these negative energies that block me from reaching out to the Divine. Loving Father, let me be a channel of your divine light and love. In the midst of discord and turmoil, let peace and calmness reside in my heart. And envelope my entire being. In moments of disappointments and frustrations, let me never lose hope, joy, and optimism. In my hours of grief and adversity, let me not forget the little joys and pleasures in life. And may my heart always be grateful. In the face of lies and deception, let my heart discern and see through the mask of guile and duplicity. In the throes of anger and irritation, let my heart choose to practice patience, kindness and harmlessness, humility and forgiveness. In days of sickness and depression, let me find health, balance, harmony, and well-being. In times of want and poverty, let my consciousness turn towards abundance and prosperity. Let my heart celebrate love, compassion, and happiness. To the angel of love in my heart, grant me unwavering strength and resilience, and help me stay always within the love in my heart. To the Supreme Being, thank you for your unconditional love and mercy. Thank you for the healing. In full faith, so be it. Be aware of your energy field, your ball of life, and mentally say, seal.